Former Sinn Féin President Gerry and Richard McAuley launched a new book in the Léargas series about their friend and comrade Siobhán O'Hanlon. Entitled Siobhán O'Hanlon, A Sound Woman, it was launched to a packed audience in Ionad Eileen Howell, Naomh Comgall. Hannig codhhaid the wincher agus cardja Siobhán, codjacu a bhí a brisún lehi a brisún ardwaha, le céile le céileú a dheanú, ar a saol agus ar a gréamhachas. Gerry and Richard spoke about the Siobhán they knew, of her lifelong dedication and deep commitment to Republican politics. They spoke about her part in the struggle for Irish freedom and the building of the peace process. They talked also about her role in creating with others Féile and Phobal, of working with disadvantaged communities and of helping individuals and families in need. Her brother Rory talked about his Siobhán, his sister who loved her family and looked after him when he was shot. Rory gave many examples of Siobhán's compassion and willingness to help others. His pride and love for her was obvious. Many others spoke from the audience, including women comrades who had been in Armagh Women's Prison with her. They told funny stories, spoke eloquently about their love for Siobhán and her love of family, especially for her husband Pat and son Cormac. Thug siad muinneoin de Gerry agus de Richard lena scéalta a inchint, a givni ar Siobhán, agus a bheith díle stoibh, Gerry law. Siobhán's life was too short. She died aged 44. Siobhán was a proud Republican activist. She was an IRA volunteer, a political prisoner, a Sinn Féin activist, a community activist, a peace negotiator, a strong woman, a leader, an articulate advocate for the rights of citizens, but especially of women, a campaigner for women's health, a good friend, and a loving sister, aunt, wife, and mother. She was, as the title of this new book says, a sound woman.